as you can see from the title, I am moving. It is time. I am grateful to be up, getting up and out. Okay, grateful. So today's video is going to be all about me packing. And I mean, I know it's been a while since I picked up the camera, so I'm sorry, but you can think of today's video like my last clean with me video. I have a lot of cleaning that I need to do, as well as kind of packing, so I'm gonna start with my kitchen because that needs the most attention and the most love, like right now. So we're gonna start there. I have about 10 days to pack, figure out where I'm going. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. It's okay. You won't be like me after this video. I already know. Every time I get on camera, my top lip look ashy. And this is just disrespectful. It's not. I got Vaseline on. I'm gonna try to fix the setting on this camera. Yeah, it's time to wash my hair. Stop procrastinating. Get to work.
Scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying, also known as a buster. Boy, you know you make me float.
It ain't hard to tell that I co-rock a party in the B-girl stand. I rock on the floor, make the fellas wanna dance. So get ready.
Boy, you really get me high.
Take a minute, girl, come sit down and tell us what's been happening.
Co-rock a party in the B-girl stand. I rock on the floor, make the fellas wanna dance. I be the and it's all good. And if you understood, would you?
No, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub.
Instinct leads me to another flow.
Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. So I creep, yeah, I just keep it on the down low. Nobody is supposed to know. So I creep, yeah, 'cause he doesn't know what I do, and no attention goes to show. So baby, I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. And I gave you my all. Now baby, be mine. I'm always there when you call, but I'm always on time. And I gave you my all. Now baby, be mine.
I play my enemies like a game of chess where I rest. No stress if you don't smoke cess. Less, I must confess, my destinies manifest. In some cortex and sweats, I make tracks like I'm homeless.
Instinct leads me to another flow. Every time I hear a brother call a girl a bitch or a hoe, trying to make a sister feel low, you know all of that got to go. Now everybody knows there's exceptions to this rule. I don't be getting mad when we playing, it's cool, but don't you be calling me out my name. I bring rap to those who disrespect me like a dame.
Got to do with it, baby.
It's about us, it's about just me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just me. What's love?
Come on, everybody, get on now, 'cause you know we got to get it wrong. Mary J is in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright. Come on, baby, just party with me. Let it loose and set your body free. Leave your situations at the door, so when you step inside, jump on the floor.
Let's get it crunk up.
Let's get crunk up on
in this dancery. And then you're soaking, then you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolating while you're waiting.
Baby girl,
What would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys I'll keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay again, try again. Can you love for me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really